Apple is working on something major behind closed doors. And no, it's not just the usual iPhone upgrade we see every year. This time, their chip development team is diving deep into innovation, pushing boundaries like mad scientists in a high-tech lab. They're designing next-level processors that won't just sit inside phones or laptops. These chips are being built to drive a whole new generation of Apple devices. Among the most exciting, Apple's first-ever smart glasses. That's right, wearable tech, similar to what Meta has been experimenting with. But in classic Apple fashion, expect these glasses to be minimalistic, stylish, powered by custom silicon, and very likely priced at a premium that screams luxury and exclusivity. Rumor has it that Apple is already hard at work developing a custom chip specifically designed for their upcoming smart glasses. Imagine a brain similar to the one in the Apple Watch, only more powerful, even smaller, and built from the ground up to deliver top-tier performance while consuming minimal energy. This specialized chip is expected to handle multiple camera inputs simultaneously, all without putting a serious dent in battery life. To achieve this, Apple engineers have reportedly removed all non-essential components, trimming the fat to create a lean, high-performance chip. It's as if they've taken the existing Apple Watch processor, put it through intense optimization training, and turned it into a finely tuned powerhouse, ready to deliver speed, efficiency, and advanced capability in a compact, wearable form. So what's the timeline looking like? If everything proceeds smoothly and Apple sticks to its current roadmap, actual production of the device could begin as early as the end of next year, 2026, or potentially in 2027 if there are delays. This puts the possible launch window for Apple's highly anticipated smart glasses around 2 years from now. That means by 2027 or even late 2026, we could see the official release of these futuristic wearable devices hitting store shelves. And when it comes to the brains behind this innovation, Apple isn't cutting any corners, and they've once again partnered with their trusted chip manufacturing partner, TSMC, the same industry-leading company responsible for producing Apple's high-performance chips, to develop the incredibly small and powerful processors that will drive these smart glasses. Now comes the exciting part, but not in the way you might expect. Apple isn't jumping straight into launching advanced augmented reality goggles just yet. That full AR experience is still a few years away from being truly useful or practical for everyday consumers. So instead of rushing into it, Apple is starting with something more low-key and approachable. They're reportedly developing smart glasses that focus on lighter, more accessible features first. These glasses might allow users to take quick photos, listen to audio, respond to voice commands, and possibly even use built-in cameras and AI to understand or map out the environment around them. Think of them as Apple's refined take on Meta's Ray-Ban smart glasses, but with Apple's signature design, seamless ecosystem integration, and extra attention to detail that makes their products stand out. They've even assigned it a code name, N401. While that might not sound impressive at first, inside the company, this has evolved into a significant and highly prioritized project. Meanwhile, Meta is not sitting idle either. The company is preparing to release a premium version of its device that includes a built-in display later this year. Additionally, Meta has its eyes on the future, aiming to launch its AR glasses by 2027, which shows how seriously they're investing in augmented reality. So yes, the competition in the wearable tech and AR space is officially heating up, and the race between major players is clearly underway. But Apple has much bigger plans than just smart glasses. They are developing next-generation chips known internally as Nevis and Glenny, which are expected to bring camera integration and smart features directly to wearable devices like your wrist, smartwatches, and ears, possibly AirPods, by 2027. Their Mac lineup is also set to get significant improvements, with M6 and M7 chips already in development, aiming to boost performance and capabilities. Before that, we'll see the M5 chip rolling out soon in both iPads and MacBook models, bringing newer levels of efficiency and power to Apple's portable devices. And when it comes to handling the real heavy-duty tasks, Apple is reportedly developing a powerhouse chip known as Baltra, a next-generation processor specifically built for AI servers. This chip is expected to blow the current M3 Ultra out of the water in terms of performance and efficiency. It's Apple's ambitious leap into the AI data center space. But that's not all. They're also advancing their in-house 5G modem technology, aiming to deliver much faster and more reliable wireless connectivity. And behind the scenes, Apple is hard at work on projects C2 and C3, two secretive initiatives that could further redefine the way we interact with technology. Plus, let's not forget their futuristic non-invasive glucose monitoring system, a feature being developed for the Apple Watch that could allow users to track their blood sugar levels straight from their wrist without needing to draw blood. That's some real science fiction becoming reality. In short, Apple isn't just manufacturing devices anymore. They're engineering the core technologies that could shape the entire future of personal computing, health, and connectivity. And with that, we wrap up this video. Thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next video. Take care. Bye.